Yo, what's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Ninja, and the title of the video is "Wannabe Tough Guy Punches." Oh man, see, I'm just waking up. I can't even talk right yet, but we gonna get through it. Wannabe tough guy punches cop in front of his parents. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here. Hopefully this is a good one. All right, maybe somebody gonna get a form of act right, you hear me?
On March 16th, 2023, police were dispatched to a residence after receiving calls about an individual acting in a reckless manner.
It's a nice house.
Hey, stop right now. Stop. Relax.
He just jumped
John,
from
so
there.
you just jump from the banister again.
3 times.
Relax.
Yo, this guy's bugging out. This reminds you of like a kid. You know what I'm saying? When you got little kids, they climbing up on everything and jumping off and stuff like that, like they Spider-Man or something. Look at this. This is crazy. I ain't gonna lie.
Hey, stop right now. Stop. Relax.
He just jumped
John,
from
so
there.
you just jump from the banister again.
3 times.
Relax. What's going on? Why are you jumping like that? Are you hurt? What's your name? What's your name? I'm Nick.
Let him take over now. I'm not going to say anything.
What's your name?
But there may be a backup officers with him.
What's wrong? Why don't you take a seat for me? What's your name? Do you want to talk outside?
I don't think he looking at the cop. He looking right through him. You see these eyes right here? You see these eyes? This man is looking directly through him to his soul, okay? This is, he ain't got some screws. He definitely got some screws loose. I'm gonna tell you right now.
What's going on? Are you hurt? You not talking to me is not going to solve anything. We have to figure out what's going on. That's not normal. Do you want to talk to me, or are you just going to stand there? What's his name?
Amish.
Adish?
Amish.
A-N-I-S-H.
Okay. Can you not step towards me, please? Just back up. Hey, relax. I'm not trying to fight you or anything, okay? I gotta make sure you're okay. All right? What happened today? Don't do this. Don't do this. It's not worth it. Does he take any medication?
No.
Okay.
He's supposed to, but he never takes it, so no.
He's squaring up with me.
Okay.
No, I'm not. He has a body cam.
Yeah.
Oh, look
I
at
swear
that.
no.
He can talk.
Okay. So why are you just acting all quiet and staring me dead in my eyes? What happened? What is that? Did something happen today? Okay. Well, we're gonna have the medics talk with you. Because that obviously wasn't normal, from what I just saw.
Yeah, he jumped 3 times in the space of last half an hour.
Okay.
But,
Are you injured at all?
I don't want
No?
to
Okay.
You can show me how to operate it, and the FC just rolled up.
Are you just jumping to jump?
he hurt his left shoulder blade
Okay.
doing cartwheeling. I took him to emergency. They checked him out, he's fine. But that didn't stop him from jumping again. He also jumped outside
Okay.
from the
Can you
the
just
deck few times. The deck is like 7-8 feet down. Land is 7-8 feet down.
Okay.
He jumped that and then he started jumping here.
Okay. Do you have anything in your pockets right now? Can you take your hands out of your pockets for a second? Okay. There's nothing in there? Okay. Alright. So, buddy, do you want to go to the hospital? Are you hurt? Here, over here. What's his name?
Anish, he's seen
You don't gotta touch.
You're
Legally,
not
you
keeping
don't
it-
have to touch. I'm in my space.
That's fine. Anish, what's going on, buddy? Do you want to talk somewhere else?
You got nothing to say?
Okay. Alright. We're gonna ask that you just talk to the paramedics to make sure that you're okay. It sounds like you got a fall. That's what we're concerned about. Is that something you're okay doing?
I just didn't.
Okay. Do you want to talk to them and not the police?
I don't want to talk to anyone.
Okay. Can you do this for me? Can you just sit on the step?
I can stand here.
I will bring a paramedic in.
I'm standing here.
We're not going to do this with you standing up like this. You want to?
I'm
You want to?
standing.
You're taking a very aggressive posture.
I'm not touching anyone. So
I'm not
legally,
saying.
I'm in my
I'm
right
not
to stand.
saying that you. It is. Fire department comes in here. You have a conversation with them, and they leave. But they are not going to do it with you doing this right now. Okay? So this is just going to take a heck of a lot longer. So all I'm asking you to do is just sit on that stuff. I will have your parents walk into the other room. I don't care whatever is the most comfortable for you, but I need to have them come in here, talk to you real quick, and then you can figure out what you want to do from there. You are not a criminal. You didn't do anything wrong. You're not under.
You know what? I actually like the officer here. He has good de-escalation skills. You know what I'm saying? Because this young man right here, he ready to risk it all. He ready to go to jail. He ready to turn up just because of the aggressive stance that he is taking. But this officer right here, he actually, he's not yelling. He's not raising his voice. He's talking very slow, very low, calm. So that way, hopefully, whatever he's trying to convey to him can get through to his skull, because he in a different dimension right now. I'm telling you.
Rest. I just want to make sure that you're okay and not harmed. You want to go to the hospital? Tell them that.
You guys got it?
And we'll get out of here. Okay? I'm just going to sit here and ask you questions until you answer them. So, I don't care if it takes an hour. I don't care if it takes 2 hours. The parents are concerned. The paramedics are here. There's 4 police officers here. We are not going anywhere. This isn't safe for you. It's not safe for your parents. Tell me how you would like to do this.
They're all waiting outside for you. But from what I saw when I first walked in and you jumping, that's not normal. You could really hurt yourself. And what's to say that you're not going to do something more when we leave? So therefore, we're obligated to make sure that you get the right attention. We can't just get up and leave, okay? We got to make sure you're okay. So we can either step outside, or you can sit down and they can come talk to you. You can call the shots, but we just need to find a route to go down so we can help you. That's it. Nobody's in trouble or anything. The fact that you keep moving and shuffling towards me like you're about to swing on me or something is disturbing for me. I see what you're doing. You're trying to get into some type of position to try and flank me or whatever you're trying to do. And we're not going to go down this route, okay? Or you're going to try and run. You're not going anywhere right now, okay? You're being detained for your own safety and for your parents' safety. So stop trying to walk up on me, stay all quiet, and act like you're going to try and hurt me or whatever you're trying to do or be intimidating. Because I'm not going anywhere. I'm not scared of you, okay? So you can either talk to Sergeant Jump here, or me, Officer Nelson, or you can talk to the fire department. And we're not leaving. Okay. Stay right there. Stop moving like that.
Come on, I get that this is a mental health case and all of that, but honestly, if this was any other individual, we would have probably been put in handcuffs by now. Honestly, because what he's doing, he's unpredictable, honestly, and he needs to be put in handcuffs so that way they could at least detain him and, you know, work on whatever it is that they got to work on. But he looked like he ready to fire on the officer real quick. I ain't gonna lie. It looked like, and then there's 4 officers there, so he ain't acting right. But I'm pretty sure, you know, by the end of this video, I'm sure they're gonna get him together.
I'm gonna put you in handcuffs if you keep doing it.
I'm going to tell you this much. I will place you under arrest for assault. Okay? We have every reason to believe that we are in fear of physical contact with you with what you're doing. You're balling your hand like you're ready to punch someone. You're coming within inches of other people.
Not worth it.
So do not push this into a criminal matter, because you will be arrested and taken to jail.
Hey, don't step on it.
I didn't step on it. I'm not ignorant. I wouldn't do that. Hey.
Stop resisting. You're under arrest. You are under arrest, buddy.
What an idiot. What an idiot. What an idiot, man. And that was a weak punch that he threw, too. That was weak as hell. Y'all seen him come? He came like this. It was like, eh.
I'm not ignorant. I wouldn't do that. Hey.
Stop resisting. You're under arrest. You are under arrest, buddy. I gotta get in the head position. Hands now!
I got this hand. All right, stop fighting. Just relax, okay?
That wasn't smart.
You good, Tony?
Yeah. My kid does worse to me.
Okay.
John, you marked 1 in custody.
All right. Let's just double check the cuffs.
What's that?
Back.
Not smart, dude.
Can you breathe? Tuck your knees in. All that way. Okay. Are we going to the hospital or are we going to jail?
I feel jail would probably be good, seeing that you just punched me in the face. Maybe a good thing for you to be quiet right now.
Yeah, you'll go to jail after the hospital. Doesn't matter. You're going to jail.
I'm going to jail.
Okay, you don't want to go to the hospital. All right, sounds good. We'll just have you sign a release. You don't want to go.
Can't wait to see these new body cameras, you guys. Can't wait to watch that one.
Right.
This will be the first time we can really...
That's enough.
Yeah, he keeps trying to grab me really hard. You're being polite, but he's not. You know what I'm saying?
He keeps trying to grab him really hard. What do you think? You just punched an officer. What do you think this is? Man, when they get you down there to that county, man, you gon' okay. You think it's a game.
So you've been polite this entire time.
Now all of a sudden he can talk. He didn't even talk the whole goddamn video.
Would you knock it off? Knock it off. Now he's trying to trip me. Stop it. Get in the car and we can be done. Got it?
Got it.
What a shame that his parents, you know, his parents look like some foreigners or something, and they probably came over, made a better life for themselves, look like a nice neighborhood, and then their son acts like a jackass. Ain't that something? What a disgrace. And I know them Indian families, they don't be playing that. You know what I'm saying? So he is definitely a disgrace.
Yeah, I will. Feet first. I just had to walk him off a little. Yeah.
Just, you need to sign it.
Okay.
Sorry.
Oh, yeah.
Are you okay? Are you good?
The suspect was charged with aggravated assault on an officer and multiple counts of resisting arrest.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.